What's up, YouTube? I'm back. I'm better than ever, and I'm here to review a really cool product called the Niche Marketing Kit by my friends John and Dave. This is awesome. Stay with me because I got something really special for you in this review of the Niche Marketing Kit. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat, and the reason is because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, sorry, I was getting my hat back from my buddy. Anyway, so I've been away for a while, but I'm back now, better than ever. And now, for today, we're going to do a super cool review. If you're not familiar with the way things work here, as I said, my name is Eric Hammer, and I review software and info products to make money online niche. Basically, because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, you know what? I even missed hearing you. So welcome back, buddy. Thank you very much. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I will give a tip my hands to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if you're new here, the way things work is I also do some videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
He's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I miss hearing that from you. She's such a sweetheart. Anyway, if you are new, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. I know I haven't been here for a while. Things have been crazy for me, but I'm back now, and you should be starting to see videos from me pretty much every single day. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, folks, so we are here on the sales page for the Niche Marketing Kit. These are by my friends John Thornhill and Dave Nicholson. They are two super affiliates who really know their stuff. You can see the kind of numbers here, $700,000 in sales over here. They have another thing down here somewhere. Let's see, $535,000, $333,000 in sales. Okay, so these guys know what they're doing. And you can see all these number one things. These guys, by the way, appear on my own number one contest every single time, pretty much. They really do know what they're doing when they're selling stuff. So they're really, really good at what they do. And they have a really, really cool package for you here. So I want to show you inside the members area in just a minute, but you can see here the list of things. It goes on and on and on and on and on. Okay, all these things are included in the Niche Marketing Kit. I'm going to show you the members area, but before I do that, I do want to show you something very, very cool because I have an awesome bonus when you pick it up from me. Now, because this is on ClickBank, the way it's going to work with the bonus is that you are going to email me your receipt, and once you email me your receipt showing me that you purchased it through my link, I will go ahead and give you the link for my bonus. But the bonus is over here. This is my instant graphics collection. Okay, now what you have here is a whole bunch of different graphics that you can actually go ahead and edit. Now, just to give you an example, okay, you can see over here what it's going to look like. I'll show you the posters. So these are basically posters that you can go ahead and edit. Believe that you'll succeed, believe in yourself, power of your subconscious mind. You know, the nice, cool posters that you can edit. And there's a whole bunch of them over here. There's also a bunch of buttons here. Let me show you some of the buttons over here. Okay, these you're going to have full PLR rights to them. So, for example, you need a button, take action now. You got that. Okay, grab it now, download now, try it now, etc., limited copy. These are cool stuff. And when you're putting together a bonus page or a sales page or anything like that, these are what you want. But I'm also going to give you an additional bonus here. I'm actually going to show you how to actually use these things to actually build yourself a real, to actually edit them for free. I have a particular website in mind that I'm going to show you how to edit them completely for free. You're going to get all these things, and you get full PLR rights, which means that you can actually use them for whatever you like to use them for. So you can edit them any way you prefer, and just go ahead and use them for whatever you need in order to build your business. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area of the Niche Marketing Kit.
Knight Rider.
Okay, no, not that kind of kit. I'm talking about this kind of kit. Yeah, I actually have a friend, by the way, who loves Knight Rider so much that he actually bought himself one of those cars and decked it out to look like Kit. But anyway, so check this out: website traffic niche. Okay, all these different things, and you also have full private label rights on this. Okay, on the 150,000 articles. So you have 150,000 articles you can use with full private label rights. Means you can actually use them for your own content. Okay, traffic generation. John Thornhill, Simple Traffic Solutions, 45-day traffic plan. Okay, and it goes on and on and on. Website traffic. Okay, Traffic Phoenix, Video Marketing Blueprint, the ultimate video course resale rights included, the video cash blueprint, blah blah blah, etc. etc. I mean, my goodness. Now, look at all this. This is all included. I'm just looking at the basic members area. This is all included for you for free.
The giant hat, sir.
They said, tip of the giant hat to you. Yes, John and Dave. This is an amazing package. I love it. There's so much here, and for $20, you really can't go wrong grabbing this. Go ahead and grab it. You are going to love it.